So I was looking through my parts stuff, and I remembered I had this, which it's a meter out of a Marantz. Unfortunately, it's probably a little scratched up, but that's the signal meter. Who knows what it's out of? But yep, looks like it actually might be a little bigger too. Anyway, probably be pretty hard to find. Speaking of this thing here, these ones are pretty hard to find from what I can tell. I guess the 2230 is more common. I think this radio looks a little better, but the 2230 actually has preamp output jumpers on the back. I don't know why they couldn't put it on this one. This has some extra features. It has an extra meter. And I think also it's got these high filters, low filters, and stuff like that. But what I noticed with this one was when I turn it up to about here, it starts to pop and do weird things a little bit. And if you stay under that, it doesn't really do anything funny. And I don't know if it's just the capacitors are just really kind of crappy. So I'm going to have to look up what ones it uses and see what it's going to cost to order the capacitors. And then when I get to that point, we'll sit down and make a video, and I'll just film the whole entire thing. And these are fairly easy to access stuff, so it shouldn't be too difficult to recap it. I'm sure it's going to gain something. Even if there's not really anything wrong with it, I'm sure that recapping it would be really good to do. You probably will hear a change in sound too. I don't remember how the output is coupled on this one. It might be capacitively coupled. I don't know. I can't remember. But anyway, I think it needs some stuff. And that would definitely make the sound not as good as it could be. But I mean, it sounds really good. Just the crackling and popping is, kind of scary. So anyway, we'll get to it.